about the Allen Bradley 30.5 millimeter push button. This is a heavy duty push button. It's a great push button for places where there's a lot of traffic and stuff. It's very durable. You can get this with an extended head, or you can get it with a flush head. Either way, you can get rubber boots to put on these to help the chemicals stay out of them. These are rated in a NEMA 4 and 12 environment. You can get them with whatever contact blocks you want, normally open, normally closed. For an industrial application, this is a great push button. This has been the Weekly Welty.